Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply for target job online. So before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open any browser and search for corporate.target.com and hit enters. And you need to open the first website. Once you are here, you simply need to click on three bars on the top right. From here, you need to click on careers. So here you need to click on corporate careers, and here you need to click on browse job listing. So let's suppose you are going to select this one, or you can select this one, so it is up to you. So I'm going to select this one for example. Okay, and you can search with the keyword as well. So I'm going to search for customer support for example. Click on search, and you can see different listings. So how you can apply. So here you need to add your first name, your last name, your email, your job category, location, and click on submit. Once you've done that, your you can say that your resume will be sent to that employer. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.